If there's only one video that you're going to watch for the rest of your life for you to have a clear, smooth skin and also smell good, smell expansive all day, every day, it's going to be this video, because here I'm going to be sharing with you all the products that I use that help me to have a clear, smooth skin and also smell expansive, smell good all day, every day, all of that on a budget, because you don't need to break the bank for you to smell expansive, for you to smell good. So this is very important to me because first of all, I am a Congolese and I live here in South Africa. When I moved here in South Africa, it was very difficult for me to find product that works for my skin. All the product that I was buying, it was making me very dark and others pimples, and I also struggle with skin for a very long time. It was very bad. The acne was on the roof. Like, I didn't even manage to take pictures when my acne was very bad because I couldn't even look at myself in the mirror. And then even the picture, like, imagine if I can't even look at myself in the mirror, what about the pictures? The time that I started taking pictures of myself, in, I'm just gonna put it here on the screen for you guys to see. And the ones that you're going to see right now, it was like perfect result for me. Yes, it was very bad, but for me it was like, now I'm starting to get there. But since I started using the product that I'm using right now, my skin has changed. Now I have a smooth skin, no pimples, no nothing, just because of the product that I started using. So disclaimer, this video is not sponsored. I'm just sharing my secrets so that all of us ladies must have clear, smooth skin and also smell expansive all day, every day on a budget. Okay, so first let's start with the body, because smelling good doesn't only apply on a perfume. Oh, you want to smell good, use this perfume, use that. If you don't start from the basics, even if you have the most expensive perfume, you're still going to smell somehow because you didn't follow the procedures. So here I'm going to be sharing from the bathing, the brush and everything. Like, we're going to start from the top to the bottom for us to smell good, like a real smell good. Okay, so first let's start with our mouth, because you can smell good when you start talking to someone. If your breath is not giving what's supposed to give, no one is gonna pay attention to you. So imagine that you're talking to someone and they're looking aside. That's not good. So first, what I use for my mouth, I use these three products right here. So this product right here, I'm using it because I got it from our dentist, because it was last week or 2 weeks back we went to clean our teeth and they recommended us to use this one because apparently it is the best of the best. So this is what we're using. So far it's doing an amazing job and just feels good after brushing my teeth. And I'm also using this brush here because it's just easy to brush. I don't have to, work so hard for me to like go at the corners there and all of that. So it's very soft, and yeah, so I'm loving this one so far. I don't know if you can see this words because of my light. So when it comes to my brush, this is what I use. This is a toothbrush, a toothpaste, and this is the mouthwash. And yeah, that's about it. When it comes to the shower, I only use one body wash. I use this one, is sensitive. It comes in different like flavors and stuff like that. So I use all the flavors. So whenever I'm buying sensitive, I always buy all those flavors. So it's just depend. When this one finishes, I get another one. So I don't really choose which one I'm using, because as long as it's sensitive, I love the product. I love this one. It works perfectly well on my skin. And back then I didn't really know the body wash that I used to use before. Sometimes when I use it, it was making my skin feel somehow, sometimes too dry, sometimes I don't know what's going on, maybe some itchiness here and there. But ever since I started using sensitive, I don't really have any problem. My skin is very smooth, it's very perfect, okay, moisturized and perfect. So this is a Woolies product, so I always get it from Woolies. It's so amazing. And I use this New Beauty body scrub. So this is the only body scrub that I use. The ones that I used to use before, same thing, but this one, I've been using it for quite some time now. So far I don't have any complaint about it. Just that the only complaint is too small, because I use a lot on my body, so I can only use this for like maybe 3 or 4 times, then it's finished. And also I don't use it every single day. I use it for like maybe once after 2 weeks and stuff like that. I don't really scrub my body that much, because my body, I don't really have like acne, body acne or things like that. As you can see, I'm like this, like everywhere from my back and front. month, so I don't have any body acne or stuff like that. That's why I don't really scrub my body every single week or things like that. Sometimes I scrub once a month or maybe twice a month. It's just depends on how I feel. So but this one so far it's good. Okay, and it's also not too rough on your skin. So this, I don't know if you can see the name. Yeah, it's New Beauty Body Scrub. And after taking a shower, I use Calm. Ever since I started using Calm, I'm so in peace. When I tell you I'm so in peace, I'm so happy because all the body lotion that I was using before, it was making my skin super, super dark, like super, super dark. Not that I want to be like light or anything like that. I just want to maintain my skin tone. And this one, ever since I started using it, I'm so happy. It really makes my skin like moisturize. It's just so good. The only problem is that if I don't put like glycerin or anything like that, I'm not really going to feel it. I like my skin when it's like very moisturized, like a little bit oily and things like that. So what I do when I get the Calm, I open inside, I put the glycerin. I can put like maybe this type, or it can be just anything, maybe clear. Just pour it inside, mix it. I just want it to be a little bit, oily kinda, because without the oil, without the glycerin, it's very, very thick, and when you put it on your skin, it will be a little bit dry, and I don't like it like that. So this is the 2 that goes on my body as like a body lotion. I don't have 2 or 3. I only use Calm because that's what works on my skin, and that's what it's giving me the skin that I have today. So this is my baby, and I also buy it from Woolies. It's also a Woolies product. Like there's so many products that I use here from Woolies. So when it comes to my body, these are the products that I use, from the body wash, body scrub, and also body lotion. And on my face, my baby, this is where I struggle the most to find the product that really works on my skin. So the first one, I tried almost everything that you can come across with. I used to go to the dermatologist for my skin. I was on Accutane, like I tried almost everything, and I struggled with this for almost like 5 to 6 years, even maybe more than that. And when I was healed, I was not like 100% healed. My skin was still like imbalanced. I would be light here, dark there. You know how it works, because the dermatologists, they were just like changing products on me again and again. Every single time that I was going there, they were just like changing products and nothing was happening, until I decided to take the matters into my own hands. I started trying different products, and also the product that I started trying, I was on La Roche. I still use La Roche, some of La Roche products here and there, but these are the ones that like are my everyday product. So when it comes to the serum, I use these 2. I use the vitamin C12, and I also use the Ifacla serum. This one is for the night routine, and this one is the day routine. So the day routine one, I use these 2. The L'Oreal Paris, this one. It's the Glycolic Bright. It's the Glycolic Bright. This is what I'm using lately. This is my second bottle. The first one, I got it by mistake. It's not even by mistake. It was a gift. I went to an event, and the gift bag was having this one. When I tried it, I loved it. And then I think I'm gonna go on with it. So far, I'm loving what it's doing on my skin. So these are my day serum that I'm using. This La Roche-Posay vitamin C12 and L'Oreal Paris, this one. So far, I'm loving it. And after using that, I'm using this 2 L'Oreal Paris. It's also on the gift bag. It came these two. So I tried it. Then I was like, cause I was so scared to try different products on my face, because I'm that person. Because I tried so many different products, it was not really easy for me to try different products on my skin. My skin is so sensitive to a point where when I put something on my skin, it's not even gonna give me a day or 2 for it to react. Like it reacts at the same time. Like right after putting a product on my skin, I will see my skin will be like changing. I will have pimples here. It will start being red and things like that, like on the spot. So trying this, it was like I was just like risking, I was just giving it a chance. Then also was lucky it worked for me. Like it really worked for me when I needed it like the most. So I got they gave us the day one. So the serum, it was the day serum, and also cream, the day cream one. I loved it. And then when the first one was finished, I went to buy the other one. I took the wrong one. I took the night one. But when I started using it, I fell in love. So now I got the day one and the night one. So far it's working amazing on my skin. So at night I use this La Roche-Posay Effaclar serum and L'Oreal Paris, the night one, the night gel. So I use this one both. It's working amazing for me. It's not making me have pimples, because I used to have pimples here and there. It can finish, it will come back, but now for me to have pimples, it's very rare. It's very rare, unless if I'm going on my ladies situation, which, you know. So when it comes to my face wash, I use La Roche-Posay. This is the baby of the babies. Like, this is the base, because if you get this one wrong, the rest is going to be wrong. I tried almost everything, but this one is the one that is really working, doing what's supposed to do. The other La Roche one, it was also not really working for me. I didn't really know what was happening, but this one, it's the one, okay? And another thing also, this is what I use on my body when taking a shower. I use this one. It's just easy. It makes life so much easier. You know, when I just put my hand inside, it's going everywhere. And when you shower, you feel like, okay, I washed my body, you know, my body is washed and all of that. And when it comes to my face, I don't really use any cloth on my face. It's very rare. Sometimes I use the cloth when after putting the makeup, because I want the makeup like to go off properly. But if that day I didn't use my makeup, I just like use my hands to like clean my face and put the rest of the stuff. So that's what I use. And then I use La Roche-Posay sunscreen. My skin, like I told you guys, I tried almost everything. This is the only, when I tell you the only sunscreen that works on my face, the only sunscreen. So if I try trying the other one, I don't know, but this is the only one. What I love about it is that when you put it on your skin, you're not gonna have those white situation going on. Like, everybody will know that you didn't put it nicely on your skin because it's so visible. But this one, when you put it on your skin, even if you don't put makeup, it's not going to be visible. It's going to give you that glow. That's why I love it also. It works on my skin perfectly well, and also doesn't leave those white things that I don't really like, okay? Then the next one, after taking a shower, I use my roll-on. I use this one, the Peyote. This one, what I love about it, it doesn't really have that crazy smell. It's so calm, it's so quiet, not too much smell on your nose, but it just makes you not to sweat too much. It just makes you be good. You know what I'm trying to say? It just makes your armpit be good, because there are some roll-ons that I don't like, especially the ones that when you, after putting the roll-on, it leaves your armpit like super white. You'll be having those white lines and stuff like that under your armpit. To me, I found it like it's dirty. You know, I don't know what about other people, but to me, I found it very dirty. So, but this one, even after putting it, you can lift your armpits and stuff like that. It's still going to be proper, clean, and all of that. Okay, so this is my way to go all day, every day. And for my face, I also sometimes use La Roche, these two, the Mela B3 SPF 30, and also sometimes the names here, I don't know. La Roche-Posay Cicaplast B5 Plus. So I also used to use this one before. There's nothing wrong with that. It was also working on my skin and all of that. So sometimes when I feel like, I also use them. That's why I have them. So now let's go to the juicy part, the smelling good part of it. So after putting my roll on, these are the babies that I use. So first lately I'm using this Spark Up, this one. I'm loving the smell. It's not really too much on your nose. It's not really too much on your body. I'm just loving it. It smells a little bit sweet, and that's what I really love. I'm a sweet girl. I love everything that smells sweet. And so far, this is what I'm using for now. I have the other ones that I have in the house, but because lately I'm not really using it, so there's no need for me to really like show it right now because I'm not really using it. So this is what I'm using every single day lately. And let me just go back to my face. So this is the product that I'm using, like in the mask. It's called Sweet Beauty. When I tell you I'm so in love with this, I'm so in love with it. So it's also one of the gifts that I've got from the events that I went with. I've got the L'Oreal, and also this one was part of it. When I tell you I'm so in love with this product, I'm so in love. And it's really taking long for it to finish. Definitely I'm gonna buy it again when it finishes. So it's so amazing. When you put it on your skin, it gives you the glow. It gives you what it's supposed to do. It's not the mask where like you put it on your skin, it's dry on your skin and then you wash your face. No, like you put all your your skincare and everything, and you just put this one on top, it's just gonna give you what's supposed to give you. It's very amazing. It's just so moisturized. It moisturizes your face very nicely, very glowy, very good. So yeah, that's one I wanted to just say. And when it comes to my spray, this is the three that I'm using, that I'm loving lately. So I'm loving the Peyote one, this one. It's also not bad at all. I'm loving it so far. And I'm also loving this too right here. Is it Perfume? Yeah, I'm loving this one. And Hoity Hoity. So it's Hoity Hoity and this too. This is the ones that I'm loving when it comes to my spray, quick one, and love these ones. And when it comes to perfume, so these are the two that I am enjoying lately. I'm a Scandal girl. I love Scandal perfume. Every day I used to wear Scandal, but lately I don't know what's happening. I'm just like feeling like, you know, Office London, everything Office London, because it's not really too much on your nose. Like you can wear it and it's still calm. Even like yourself, when you just smelling yourself, you're like, okay, it's not really too much on people also around me, even on myself. Sometimes when you buy a perfume, it's just too much. Even yourself, like you're so not comfortable because it's just too strong. It's just too much. But this one, I'm just loving it. This is Office London for her. That's just it, you know. I'm loving this one. It's still new. I bought it new. I was just giving this one a try. So far, I'm loving it. Like I'm loving it. It's so cool, it's so quiet, but the smell is just on your nose, quiet and very decent and very expensive, okay? Because we are going for smell good and expensive. This will give you that, you know, because sometimes those that smells too much on your nose, too much, it's not expensive, okay? It's not. And also I have this Office London, this one Intense for her. I'm so in love with this one. This one is my favorite, my very favorite so far. I bought this one first because I loved it so much that when I saw this one, I'm like, okay, let me try another Office London, okay? But this one is so good to a point where it's a little bit strong. First time that I put it was a little bit strong. I don't put it on my skin, especially here, because I love putting perfume on, behind my ears, you know, hugging someone. You just want to give that, you know. But this one, I don't put it on my skin because it smells a little bit strong. First time when I put it on my skin, I couldn't sleep. Like I was rubbing and rubbing. I couldn't, okay? Even though after taking a shower, but the smell was still there. I was just so uncomfortable. It was just too strong for me because it was my first time from a very calm smell. But now this was just like, that's too much, you know. When I was like on my day, I was not comfortable the whole day because it was my first time using a very strong perfume, and this one I consider it's very strong perfume because I'm not really used to that. I'm used to very calm, sweet, and all of that. This one made my day like very worse, like it was just worse. But then when I realized that I don't have to put it on my skin, only on my clothes and things like that, it became my favorite. It became my favorite, okay? So far when it comes to perfume, this is what I'm using. And I'm also like starting to collect perfumes. I want to have kind of different like collection and stuff like that. I'm starting to have that love of perfume kind of situation, you know what I mean, okay? So yeah, so far that's what I am using lately that is really helping me to have a clear, smooth skin. As you can see, I don't have like crazy products or I don't know, millions of them. It's not that much. It's only like a few, but it's really giving what it's supposed to give. Because when it comes to skin, you don't need to have 100 products. You don't need to have a lot of them. Just use what works for you. If your skin only asking you to use like 2 or 3, just keep it there. Just keep it there. So yeah, if you're also like me, you've been struggling to find products that works for your skin, or you like from a different country, you moved to a different country where like you're trying to look for product that is going to work for you, just try to give this one a try. If you are in South Africa, I know you will definitely find them. But if you're not in South Africa, probably you will also find this product everywhere you are, because these products are like international, they're everywhere. Okay, so yeah, these are the products that I'm using that's really giving me this glow, giving me this. So yeah, just give them a try and I promise you, you are not going to be disappointed, okay? Yeah, thank you so much for watching the video. I hope this was helpful for someone out there. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and I'm going to see you guys on my next